got pretty busy again. Downpoured a bit, so I decided to audible away from a garden video and try out something inside. So this is going to be the Omicho Market, which you can get to very easily from Kanazawa station or anywhere really. It's pretty central. There are multiple floors, but I'm mainly just going to focus on the market floor. And if you're here, or really anywhere, definitely check out Mr. Donut. Some delicious stuff. One of the entrances here. Let's get out of the rain though. Now I will say it's kind of late in the day, and this place is almost absolutely shut down by 5. At least all the stalls. Some of the restaurants stay open. I ate in a restaurant last night after 5. But yeah, the stalls totally close up. Oh yeah, this is the place I ate last night. It was really good. They treated me well. Yeah, as you can see, some of these stalls are already shut down, and other people are shutting down, but still pretty busy, especially since it's been raining. You can still get a vibe off it. See if you want to come here. Wow, this fish looks super. So a lot of the entrances have this green sign on them usually. Let me just kill myself in the street for a second to get the shot. What's going on this side?
っちはないか。こっちある。
Man, I wish I came earlier. This is way more popping than it is at night. Alright, it's pretty packed in here. I don't want to go too deep, get stuck. But I think I get the idea. Oh, here we have a hell yeah corner. Lots of entrances, lots of little streets. Honestly, I got lost even when nothing was going on at night. Not for long, it's small enough to figure out. It's small enough to figure out, but you know, you hit one of these little guys. And, oh, this does not go through. Well, I found toilets. They have ones like this that go through, so I didn't see that one last time. Here's a proper example of the sign where I hopefully don't get run over. This looks like some kind of cooking class or something. That would be cool. Cooking class with the fresh fish. Very cool. They really love gold in Kanazawa. It's everything. It really is everything. Looks like some good ramen or something. Might be closing up though. Yeah, closed sign is out. Okay. Wakarimashita. Gotta let the people through. Big old American, know your place. It's even close here. I wonder if the song playing in the background is like Omicho Market theme song that's like made specifically for here, but I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up. Mental note / editor's note. Check that out. That's the guy. I saw this picture last night and I was like, why do they have this random guy here? But he's actually there. He's actually in there. He's really the guy. Well, I think you got the taste of it. I'm absolutely starving. I'm gonna grab one of these coffees. Let's see if I can do this appropriately. I don't know what any of these flavors are, but I think it's worth a shot, right? I'll go 500. I don't know, I'm going with this one. Wish me luck here. It's 350, it's the best one. It's gotta be, right? I don't know what the other choices were. It's doing something. Something's going on in there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Cigar. Smells like hot chocolate. I think I just got hot chocolate. I think I just got hot chocolate. All right. Well, oops. On that bombshell. I'm hot. Yeah, that's hot chocolate. Alright, well thanks for watching. Check out the Omicho Market sometime. You can get all this cool stuff. Peace, peace.